Are you looking to upgrade to the Canon M50 instead of using your phone? In this video, I'm gonna break down how I saved a couple of bucks on all of these different pieces. Let's talk about it. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. I'm your host, Rodney, and as always, we got another product to review. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And as always, buds, the links will be down in the description below, so you guys can click that. There's gonna be a whole bunch of different links, so you guys will know where I'm sending you guys for all these different pieces of products and all these different prices. So now let's get to breaking down all the different price ranges and all your different options for the Canon M50. All right, bud, so right here we have the Canon M50 with the VideoMic Go on it. And as everyone knows, this is like when you're looking up trying to start YouTube, this is the camera that you always see everywhere. I'm getting sick and tired of using my phone, as you can see right there. There you guys go. I'm getting sick and tired of using my phone because sometimes I want to show something and display something and just have my phone in my hand while I'm trying to show you guys. But you know, I had to have my sister come in here and like, oh, Bluetooth connect with this product so I can show them. So I thought it was time to finally upgrade to this camera and try it out. I'm gonna do a future video where I'm gonna do the same intro, like my "What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It" intro, and I'm gonna do it with my phone. I'm gonna do it with the Canon M50 without the mic, and then I'm gonna do it with the mic and have like all different options to see how it is for, you know, anyone that's looking to upgrade from their phone or anyone that's just going straight into this camera to start YouTube. So I'm definitely gonna do that because all the videos I always see are people out and about vlogging and stuff. I will be vlogging with this camera on my other channel, but right now I'm focusing on in here in my room. So I want to do a video like that. And I did just get this camera. This is brand new. I'm still using my phone because this is what I'm used to. I'm about to do my future videos. Like I said, when I compare using the iPhone 11 against this one just sitting here. I'm not a camera savant. This is my first camera ever. So if you guys have like those hard questions about what is this, that, I don't know. I barely turned it on and got my settings ready to shoot my first video. In this video, we're just gonna break down the prices of just getting this thing and the cost that it was. All right, buds, and right here in front of me, I have the board of truth. And the board of truth is the breakdown of all the different prices from all the main places that I went through. The prices are different from when I bought mine, which is very upsetting because some things were $50 less when it came to the whole total thing. So definitely keep a lookout. There might be a big deal, or if you want to hold off for the deal again, that's another heads up. So on this board, I'm gonna break down the different price ranges of all the different items I bought because the camera does need a lot of different items to go with it. It's not just the camera and you're good to go, which you can be, but if you're trying to, you know, have, you know, good audio and stuff, you need a lot more things. All right, bud, so I got my Canon M50 from the Canon website. I got it refurbished. So shout out to Sean from Think Media because he's the one that was like, if you want to get in the game, definitely save some money, get it refurbished, and you definitely do save a lot of money. At the time, it was like a little mini sale. I got mine for $540. Definitely check the Canon Refurbished site. I'll put that down in the link in the description below, and you'll save a lot of money. So I got mine, like I said, for $540 without this big old deal that's going on now. I got it for $540, and then it has the 1-year protection plan on it. So it's through Canon, 1-year protection. Anything happens to it, I send them the pieces, whatever. They send it back to me, nice and easy. B&H is having it for $537. That's with tax and everything. And same with Amazon's $537. And let's look at the Board of Truth, and Best Buy is $543. So those are all the prices for the other ones. So they're a couple of dollars less, and I think Best Buy is a couple of dollars more. The one thing I'm worried about with the other stores is this came from Canon. The protection plan is with Canon, is going to be taken care of. B&H, Amazon, and Best Buy, I don't know how their 1-year store warranty is going to be. I know a lot of stores are different and they're picky and choosy of what they will cover on their free 1-year warranty, but their protection plans, they give you options after you click it. It says, you know, 2-year protection, 3-year protection after you add it to your cart. So for B&H, the protection plan is going to be $587 for a 2-year protection plan, and with Amazon it's going to be $595 for a 3-year protection plan. These are the options that they give you. There's no 1 year in there when I seen it, when I added it to the cart. And then with the Best Buy, for their 1 year Geek Squad protection plan, it's $5.93. So you're already paying about close to $40 more for those protection plans than you are for the Canon. Even though they do last a little bit longer, I'll say the Amazon is probably the best one, because at least you're getting 3 years out of, you know, like 58 plus more dollars. So you're already out the box, you're gonna pay $40 more for a protection plan. At least you got 1 year with the company that makes, you know, the camera. That's really good. And when you buy your M50 refurbished, or probably anything refurbished from Canon, they'll send it in a box like this right here. And it doesn't come in an original box. It just comes in like these their own little boxes. This is where the lens came in right here. And then this is what the camera came in. And the camera didn't have its own box within the box. It was just wrapped up in a whole bunch of bubble wrap. And then it was like in the middle of all this bigger bubble wrap. So it was just like wrapped in here like this, like crazy wrapped up. So you should be fine. It should be no problems. This is a lot of bubble wrap, so it could be thrown around on this shipping way here and shouldn't be no problem. But it doesn't come with no original box. It just comes with these. And it also comes with a strap. If you guys can see here, you got a nice little Canon strap. So it comes with that, so you can throw it over your neck, have the camera ready to go. What I will say about B&H's deal is, depending on their protection plan, because if their 1 year store warranty is fine and good for you, or if you don't need warranty, it's $537. It's going to be $3 cheaper than this, and it comes with more stuff. You can get a carry bag with it. You can get some cleaning kits for your camera with it, and it also comes with a memory card. And it's actually the same one that I have here. It's just less gigabytes. It's 64 gigabytes, and this one's 128. But still, you're getting all that for $3 cheaper than what I paid for the refurbished thing. So it just comes down to the protection plan on your camera with the B&H. And speaking of memory cards, buds, I got mine from Amazon. It was $40. I wanted to get a bigger one. I wanted more space, so I got the 128 one. And I got the Extreme Pro version of SanDisk. And it's a really good memory card from everything that I've seen. I was like, all right, this is the one I want. This is the decision I made. So when I got this, I looked for, you know, a decent price. It was $40 on Amazon, $40 on B&H. And then the most expensive was Best Buy. It was like $70, so it was super expensive. So this was probably the least product I did like my research, trying to break down and save like a couple $5 on. I didn't really do that with this. So you could probably find other places that have it for cheaper. So this is what I got for mine. All right, but so right here, I got the VideoMic Go. I use my phone with nothing on it, no mic or nothing. So I wanted a good mic for my camera, so I went the VideoMic Go. And I got this one from Amazon for about $120, and it was really good because it also came with the windshield, which was clutch because I needed the windshield as well. So when I do decide to do vlogs and stuff out there, the trick is a lot of these that we're looking up were already at 100, 110, and the windshield is like $30 to go on this mic already as is. So I saved about like $10 on it with the seller that I found this at, which I will put down in the link description below for you guys. So hopefully it's still like in the 120 range. So right now, like I said, this mic at B&H is like $99, and that's without taxes, and I didn't add that one up. So that would probably be like in 105 and 107 area with taxes. And then on top of that, the windshield is not with it, so you have to buy it separate, and the shield separate is about like $30 or close to $30. So it's like $130. So like I said, you save $10 from Amazon. And also now with Amazon, this is on sale, just this for $88, go figure. So you can get this for $88, but also you can just add the windshield and you'll still pay less than I did. So definitely go get that sale right now and get this for $88 instead of $99. So you save 10 bucks. Even with the windshield, you'll be probably cheaper than what I paid. And same with Best Buy. Best Buy has the same price on this. It's like $199, and the windshield's like $25 to $30. So like $130 as well. So right now, the best bet right now is to hit that link down there for the $88. Hopefully when you guys see this video, it's still $88, and you guys should just add a windshield for it. that's probably your best bet on this mic. All right, but so one of the biggest issues I've seen with this when it comes to like this camera, like a basic issue, is the battery life. The battery life, they're saying 2.5 to 3 hours off one battery. So you're probably gonna need multiple batteries, especially if you're gonna be vlogging out there and stuff. You're probably gonna wanna keep multiple batteries. Yeah, so you're probably gonna need multiple batteries. So I was like, let me look for the best place I can find another battery for this. And I found a good one at Walmart, $40 at Walmart, and it was selling out pretty fast. It was like 10 left. And then I was like, oh, let me think about it. Let me look around. Then I went back and it was like 5 left. So I was like, now I'm gonna buy it. I don't know if they got me with that little 5 trick, but anyway. So at Walmart, it was $40. I'm gonna put down in the description below so you guys can keep an eye on it. If they have it, you guys can get it, but you guys can keep an eye on it, $40. And let me check the Board of Truth. B&H, $56. Amazon didn't have the Canon battery from what I seen. You guys, if you guys see it, you guys can put the link below. And Best Buy is $59, so basically $60 for the battery. So you're basically gonna save $20 from Best Buy and $16 from B&H if you get it at Walmart. $40 at Walmart, but I'm definitely gonna put that in the link in the description below. But I'm gonna do the total prices from if you buy everything from that store, because I know some people don't like to jump around different prices, but I'm gonna do the total prices. And I'm also gonna give the price if you had the protection plans on it. So the price for my whole setup and all the jumping around for everything that I got, the Canon M50 from the Refurbished site, the memory card from Amazon, the Rode mic right here with the shield from Amazon, and the battery from Walmart, that all came up to about $740. So all that was like $740 for this setup I have. But let's not forget with the with B&H's website, they have the, you know, the bag and all that, the cleaner, and then the memory card that comes with it already. So that's basically 2 memory cards because I'm adding everything the same. So B&H, even though it's a little bit more, it's pretty good. So with everything from Amazon, if you buy everything from Amazon except the battery, because I couldn't find the battery on there, so we'll just take the Walmart $40 price and add it. It'll come up to $735 without the 3-year protection plan, and with that protection plan, it'll be $793 for 3 years of protection. That's not bad. It's still cheaper than B&H, but don't forget B&H comes with all that extra bag and all that stuff. Definitely the worst place to buy all these parts is Best Buy. It's $852. Like, it's way up there. That's probably because they charge $70 for the memory card. All right, but so B&H right now is having a really good deal. Normally the bundle packs cost like $5.99. It's like it'll be a discount and it's $5.99, but right now it's $5.49. So you're gonna save a lot of money, buds. Definitely check it out. It's the one with the Rode mic in it. This mic already in it. It's called like the Creator Kit. You'll see people jump on it like that on there. So it's that one. If that one's $634 right now, you get the camera, and then, or it's not $634, but you'll get the camera and the mic. And if you add this memory card, the Extreme Pro with the 128 gigabyte, it'll be $634. So I already added that in the cart, and that's with the tax. The sales tax is $45 and it's $634. So you guys are gonna save so much money. And if you add this in here, it's gonna be like $30 more. And if you add the battery, the extra battery you need, especially if you're vlogging, get the $40 one from Walmart, you're gonna pay like $710 probably, $710, $715. That's still gonna be $35 cheaper than what I paid. I paid $740 for all this mismatch put together kit my own self. And B&H, all of it put together is $736. So you're basically almost gonna save like $60 if you get the bundle right now. So normally it's $599 or $599, but right now it's $549. So if you've been leaning on getting it, definitely check it out right now. It's a real good deal. I wish I would have waited a week and got this one. I would have saved like $40. So definitely, if you've been leaning on getting this camera, it's the best time to get it. I hope this video helped you out looking at different prices and save a couple bucks on getting your first camera. I hope all the success to you guys that are starting YouTube, and all you guys that are, you know, upgrading your cameras, or you guys are finally about to do YouTube. Just do it. Who cares what anyone thinks or says about you guys? Do it. It's fun. I love doing it. I'm glad I did it. So you guys, you know, get your camera, get started, use your phone, get started. It doesn't matter. Just get started on YouTube, buds. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, like I always say, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I'll put all these links that are all craziness. I'll put the best links up down in the description below for you guys so you guys can check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm gonna test this out against my iPhone 11, sitting right here doing my intros. See you guys in the next video. Peace.